Welcome. Yeah, to all my subscribers, no run come. Just subscribers only today, yes. Only who no can't tell this, cause me have something to talk. We want to talk if a long time, but me no know how to put it. But the other day, yeah, me mouth slip, my teeth slip and everything, yeah. So I feel say the time is right to talk, and through what happened over the weekend, me need to come clean and just tell you. So, how me fi start, Yes. So the weekend, me did tell you say me a go down a London to the King reincarnation, yes. I'm in that chat, I'm in mouth slip, and me go say that me related to the royal family. We are family. So, and then you want me not make, cause somebody did pick up on it when I met student. Me never realize. I say, then pick up on it. So, them ask me, they may never know say you related to the empire. So me say, yes, me related, but no talk. A secret, yes. A secret, we can't talk. We ain't want nobody to know around here. Can me say to them, how people bad mind pan the media social already, yeah. They know, like, certain things. So, me ain't want nobody to know. But anyway, when me go down to London, certain people me never sit down there. Then there, yeah. So, me never see the Prime Minister. Me never see him down there. Me never see nobody from down a yard, yeah. But when me think back, me thought, but Andrea tear up in shirt and in suit them, yeah. So maybe it will, get to come because of that, yeah. So, no. Me not look for, L.A. Lewis. And me couldn't see him neither, cause him a part of the family too. Related, yeah, too. Yeah, me never see him. And me I wonder all along. Me I look everywhere. Me look high, me look low. And me couldn't find him. So me thinking that's unusual say him no come because me know him would have missed the King reincarnation. Cause him did tell me say me not go come, yeah. But we can't talk everything pan the media social because people them, as all people them still. So anyway, me try to ring him and me couldn't get him. Me call and me couldn't get him. But anyway, me get to find out say he was arrested, yeah, cause him break the toll. He break the toll and they toll and arrest him, yeah. So anyway, then me thought, okay. But then after that, me see him teacher beat him bad, yes. But LSN was in a hurry and he couldn't wait. And the reason why he couldn't wait, me not make no excuse for him, but he couldn't wait because he had to get to the airport to get to the reincarnation ceremony. So that's why I'm broke, but him no want to tell you no. Because you know what I mean? Yeah, certain things we have to keep secret pan ya. So that's why I broke it. And me want to tell teacher that that's why I broke it. Me know he was wrong, but he was in a hurry. But anyway, LA should have leave her early so him have enough time because it's not, he shouldn't do something like that because him is a social media influencer, as teacher rightly say. So people would think say they can do them something they and get away with it. And I think that's why they arrest him and make an example of him for sure say you don't do things like that, yes. But teacher beat him beat him so till. Me nearly think said teacher blood pressure. I go up in blood vessel, I go bossy where in cuss and in galang. Me never see that the kind of beating and tracing before. Anyway, and that me I go say, Ellie was chastised by teacher badly, but yeah, but Ellie should have know better. Say, if you become a the queen, the king reincarnation, he should have leave out early, give himself enough time so he no have to break no rules, yes. And this is the consequences now. Me don't know if them charge him, but me have to go wait to find out what took place there. So anyway, I just that me dey come fi say that we is family to the royal family. So, me just start me need for make you know because my mouth did slip, yeah. And my teeth them did slip too. So we need, me just start, me just have to come clean and, and make teacher know say that's why. In man in such a hurry. All right then, Pharaoh no man don't talk, yeah, and she gone, yeah.